Yes. So as you're describing those memories, right?
Okay.
One word, how do you feel? Like you just have one word to describe how you feel in those memories.
Or phrase.
Or a phrase.
Yeah. In the body. Out of my mind. Because now I'm thinking about them, they were all quite sensory. The beauty of all of them was I was out of my mind.
Nice. Out of the mind, out of your mind. That's great. That's great. That's something to work with. Like that's like, if that would be a purpose to have people experience being out of their mind, right?
That's fucking amazing.
If that would be your legacy, if you would leave the planet tomorrow, if you would have all people on the whole planet experience being out of their mind for 1 second, boom.
Fuck yeah.
Exactly. So that's it.
Okay.
That's great.
People being out of their mind or something like that. It's not per se about the sentence. It's about like that.
That feeling that you just said, fuck yeah, that's it. That's the calling.
And to just keep realigning with that feeling is what you're bringing to people, because you're realigning, you're embodying that in each and every moment, not in just in those glimpses that you've had of it, in those memories. No, keep going back to that memory, 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 keep going back to that memory. When you feel you're out of it, go back into it.
Yeah, because the things that are really important to me are around like playfulness and well, some of the things I've recently said are important to me are around playfulness and sexuality and blah, blah, blah. And then I was just talking about creating sort of like a sensory journey. But I can see the common thing here is really out of the mind and into the body.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, so you can just keep working with that phrase. Like, that's a great thing. Just write that down and then just keep working with it and see if a different word or phrase comes that points you more to it. I usually ask people to kind of rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Like, what's a 10? Like a fuck yeah, like I'm standing on the roof, like my calling is. So right now, I love you to say, Kristina, my calling is people experiencing being out of their mind.
Yes.
So say that out loud.
Right now is for people to experience being out of their mind.
Yeah. That's good.
It feels really good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Wow.
And everything that you want to create, everything that wants to be created through you will come out of that naturally. Like you don't have to think about what am I offering, how much money, where's the money. No, this is just coming. Every creation comes through that channel.
Oh, it feels so good.
Nice.
Yeah. Sweet.
Wow. Didn't see that coming, but feel really grateful.
Are you out of your mind now?
Yeah.
Yes, let's all take a moment to be out of our minds completely.
Let's go out of the mind. Like,
yes.
Okay.
Oh, it's that simple?
It's that simple, you guys. Heaven on earth. That's it.